Imagine someone deleted my entire trading account today. Every dollar, every trade. Tomorrow I would have to start again from zero. Surprisingly, I wouldn't spend my first month trying to make money. I'd spend it proving that I can follow rules consistently. Most beginners make the same mistake. They open a trading account and immediately start calculating how fast they can double it. But markets don't reward ambition. They reward discipline. The obsession with quick profits creates emotional decisions, chasing trades, moving stop losses, increasing position sizes after a few winners, and revenge trading after a loss. That's why so many accounts disappear within the first few months. If I had to restart today, my first month would look simple. Week 1, learn the market structure and understand why price moves. Week 2, master risk management until it becomes automatic. Week 3, practice only one strategy, nothing else. Week 4, build a training journal and review every decision. My goal wouldn't be profit. My goal would be consistency. Because consistency creates confidence, and confidence creates better execution. Making money isn't the hardest part of trading. Keeping it is. The market always gives opportunities, but only disciplined trainers are prepared to take advantage of them. If you're serious about building professional habits instead of chasing shortcuts, discover FISG's educational ecosystem and start your trading journey with a structured learning roadmap.